Baby girl, brush your hair.
Come on, can you brush your hair?
Brush your hair.
Brush it.
Brush your hair.
Make your hair pretty. Comb it.
Can you brush it?
With that drooled on comb. Go on.
Brush it.
Good girl.
Olivia, can you brush your hair?
You call her.
What's that?
Hey,
I was going to try to help you get her attention.
make your hair all pretty.
Olivia.
She probably loves the feeling of that on her gums. Grandpa.
He's so cute. Hold on.
Wichita State needs a bucket in a bad way. Clean look, a drive to the basket, work to get a good shot.
The leading scorer for Anthony Early still on the bench.
She's like, no.
Still calling for a swing and finally gets it.
Pretty girl. Dad, she's trying to give it to you.
I have like 35 pictures of her.
Can I have it? Thank you. Oh, no. Never mind.
I love you.
Took all my pictures of her.
This
Capturing
one's
every
that
moment.
one's really cute.
That is cute. Oh, I know. I love that.
Let me see.
There's another one of him handing her a book. And both of their hands are right at it. It's so cute.
I love you so much, pretty girl.
Olivia, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Olivia.
Look at all those Ash.
Oh my gosh. Obsessed.
Olivia. Bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye.